This is the F16 Health Watch. One button operates it. You got heart rate capability in here, ECG with plates on the corners and of course on the back that produces a really nice ECG chart and data from the app. Here's last night's sleep time. You have an exercise area with simple exercises like basic walking or running. You get your time and heart rate and step count. Cycling, just basically calories and so forth. And hiking. And that's about it for fitness. Very simple. And you have more. When you go into more, you have got now your overall step count, calories burned, and distance traveled for the day. Then you get into blood pressure and blood oxygen readings. After that, you can either long press to get your notifications pushed from your phone, or long press here to find your phone if you've lost it. A very simple stopwatch that just runs while it's on and turns off when when you leave it, and you can turn the band completely off there. That's it. You've got a couple of more different watch faces in here. Long press and press once are the two activities to guide you through the watch. It's got a really nice dual colored band. And, like I said, ECG on the back and PPG in the middle. And you can get ECG plus PPG heart rate out of this one, as well as an extensive ECG chart, too. It's called the F16. Check it out.